Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Jen here from She Flips Websites. So excited to talk more about AI website flipping. Now, I've gotten into my story about website flipping all throughout the channel, but I started almost 10 years ago. I flipped my very first site for over 81K. It was an e-commerce store. It led me to building and flipping more sites, primarily blogs. And with AI coming to the scene over the past several years, it's an opportunity to be more efficient with creating and selling these sites. So what I've been doing over the past few years with my flips is integrating AI tools to help with things like content creation, outlining, article writing, as well as graphics. But there are tools today that will create your site for you start to finish using a builder, an AI website builder, like Loveable. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a site start to finish using Loveable. Now, before we get into it, I would love if you could show this video some love by commenting the word love to help the YouTube algorithm so more people could see my content here on YouTube. And like this video, subscribe. Let's get into it. So this is a pretty fun tool to use. It works very similarly to ChatGPT. You're going to give it a prompt and then it will create whatever you tell it to, more or less. So I'm going to use it to create a dog site. And we'll do a dog blog primarily. So you could do something like create a dog blog and leave it like this, but I like to be a little bit more specific with the prompt. I find that the more specific you are with it, the better results you get. So I'm going to go ahead and open up ChatGPT. Okay, so on ChatGPT, you can literally tell it to create a dog blog for Loveable. And that's it. Create a dog blog for Loveable. I'm just going to give it one more instruction. Help me with a prompt to create a dog blog for Loveable. And then this will usually produce at least a chunky paragraph, which is exactly what it did. And this is just what I'm looking for. Sometimes it's quite a bit longer, but I like for it to be at least this length or so. And then we're going to go back to Loveable and paste it in. So you can see that ChatGPT named it Paws and Tails. You can rename it whatever you'd like. I'm going to say Doggy Diva. And then you can edit any of this, helpful articles, product recommendations, dog care tips, breed guides, etc. Once it looks good, you're going to click that arrow. And this process literally just takes a few minutes. Now, this is step one in a several step process for creating out the website and then ultimately flipping it. I'm not going to show the entire process in this video. The point of this is just to show you how easy it is to use a tool like Loveable to start creating websites. In my course, The Art of the Microflip, I do go deeper into how to use AI website builders to create sites and flip them, as well as covering things like how to monetize your websites, drive traffic, do SEO, build out entire website businesses that you can flip for yourself. I've created established sites that have sold for 5 figures each. The last flip I did was last month and it sold for a little over 26K. The established sites are great to build because you can create them as your own passion project, build it out over the long term. You can monetize it along the way so it starts kind of paying you to work on it. And then when the time is right, you can flip it. Okay, our site is done. Let me go ahead and expand it so we can get a full view of what it looks like here. It's called Doggy Diva. Right off the bat, I'm super impressed with the appearance above the fold. It has black, white, and orange as the main colors. These are blog posts, an email opt-in form. Let me see if any of these links are working. Great, they are. So here's the blog. You can see it created this start to finish in absolutely no time. I did pause the video, but it took about 5 minutes or less, I'd say, for this to create, and it looks stunning. I mean, look at the quality of this. This would have taken so much time to do manually, but with the help of Loveable, we have this site fully complete, start to finish, in just a few minutes. Here's the contact page. There we go. And so that's Doggy Diva, and I could create sites like this, giving it a prompt all day long. This process is so fun for me. From here, you can go in and tweak the site as you wish. You can change the colors, you can change the name, the text, the font, the pictures, the pages, the categories, on and on and on to truly make it your own. Okay, it doesn't look like that page is working. That's fine. But that's how you use Loveable to start the process of creating your site with their AI website builder. Pretty cool, right? That wraps up this video. I plan on test driving more AI website builder tools like Loveable, so you can see what they look like, what types of sites they produce. I'll leave a link in the description box in case you want to check out Loveable on your own. If you have any questions, comment, and I'll do my best to reply to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.